Here is a Harbor Breeze Typhoon. I believe this is a 32-inch ceiling fan, maybe a 30-inch. I can't remember what size this is. I got this new unbox from Fanimation, I think. Can't remember. But anyway, this is one of the major childhood fans I've been after for quite a long time, and I was able to finally get it. But I actually had gotten this over a year ago now. I'm starting to catch up on a lot of the fans I've gotten over the years as far as making videos go, because I've been very busy with life. So if you're wondering why videos have not been uploaded, that is why. So I got probably 2 or 3 dozen fans I got to go through and take videos of. But anyway, we'll start it up on low. Whoops, it's on updraft too. I'll go down. Don't worry about the background noise. It's family downstairs. Okay, go to medium. Pretty powerful little fan. I love it. I use it about damn near every night. Sometimes I'll give it a break and then I'll use whatever's over there, which I got a Heritage on that. I'll sometimes use the Laguna too, but go to high. It took me a long time to find one of these. They just never pop up, and finally I was able to find one. And I'll go off. But yeah, that's it, and until next time.